What you are watching is the semi-automatic bag on roll making machine from
您
Maoxin.
现在所看到的是广东茂信公司的半自动连卷制袋机。这款机器滚面宽度
The roller size of machine is 400
生
millimeters.
产连卷的平口袋
It
或
can
背心
produce
袋，
both
可做
flat
袋
bag
芯或
or
背心
t-shirt bag.
采用4伏马达控制，点段封切，双层结构。采用意大利光电眼跟踪彩印。速度大概为100到150刀次每分钟。
With core or without core.It with servo motor, spot cutting knife, double layer.
成品袋子运用
The
广
speed is about 100 to 150 times per minute.
卷垃圾袋，
It
方便
equipped
包
with
装
Italy photocell for colorful bag. The product are widely used in many fields. They can be vegetable bag for supermarket, freshness protection bag, garbage bag, and so on. The roll style is more convenient for transportation and storage.
广东茂兴是一家专业生产包装设备的厂家。我司主要生产推磨机、制袋机、一次性手套机、留言机等。
Guangdong Maoxin Machinery, the manufacturer professional in producing kinds of packing machinery such film blowing machine, bag making machine, disposable glove making machine etc. Maoxin, we always create maximum possibility.
选择茂兴，选择放心。